And we're back here, your one free weekly stock recap show only on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. It is 6 July 2023. I'm super excited to get into it today. But first, super important disclaimer here. These videos are all intended for education purposes only. Trade your own risk. 9 out of 10 traders lose money. 1 through traders lose 90% or more. There's no guarantee you're going to make money with this strategy or any other strategy. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Results are not typical. We got a high, fly, ball, and it is out of here. Here's today's home runs. We're going to pull up these charts in a second, but the first one was CRBU. There's a big private equity placement in that company. GENI had some big news out of the UK, and Barnes & Noble had some good news too. So we're just going to go ahead and bring up some of these charts here. CRBU, this was a leading gapper this morning, and it traded 83 million shares today, which was exciting to watch. If you look, pretty much it spiked right in the first 45 minutes of the day and then just trailed off from there. But we'll see what it does tomorrow. And GENI this was one of the best looking stocks I saw today, actually, because it did have a good catalyst, a strategic partnership with an exclusive official NFL data and watch and bet distribution partner. Okay. So this is an internet content and information company out of the UK, but it was up high on big volume, 20 million shares traded. So about 10% of the company turned over. But it was a clear breakout. And that's what I like about this pattern right here. Definitely a kicker pattern. And this is on high alert watch, probably my #1 watcher for tomorrow. BNED was the last home run stock, and this was up 25%. So it was pretty big. It did close above the longer period moving average, but I'm really watching this tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised at all if it tested these 160 lows here. So this is on watch too. Now let's get into the about to break out stocks. It could go. Oh, and it's off the wall. SG was the first one, sweet green. I actually do know this chain of 8 here before. It's pretty good. I don't know like the details behind this move up. Just looking at this news real quick, it looks like it got an upgrade from Bank of America. So Bank of America, they're pretty big, so that's cool. HLLY was the next about to break out, and this also looks pretty good. Not a really convincing breakout though. DOCN, DigitalOcean Holdings. This looks good. Looks like it's on an uptrend. But yeah, once again, not too convincing. Huge, pretty large market cap here already. So it's a $4 billion company. But you could look into this too. Pops after big investment in AI. So that's cool. Seems to be the hot topic nowadays. Now let's get into the IR list, okay? So these stocks are a little injured right now, okay? This actually wasn't as bad as some of the previous IR lists that we've seen. All these are down like 15%. Sound, Hound, AI, so it's in the AI space. It traded high relative volume and it dropped 16%. So I'm actually looking for a little bit of a rally tomorrow, I think, maybe to these highs of like 390 something. TMC, the metals company out of Canada, this looks like it's on a breakout, and today might have just been that little pullback before the super big breakout. At least that's what I hope. I don't know. It traded high relative volume. So we'll see what it does tomorrow, but definitely on watch. APLD was the last IR stock, and this stock also traded high relative volume, was down 15%. but this doesn't look all that scary to me. I would buy the dip here. Yeah, I think this is in the crypto space. They operate data centers, okay, and digital solutions, performance computing industry, applied blockchain Inc., which is different than Applied Digital Corp. So, yeah, I don't know about this stock. Let's look into this a little bit while we're here. 46 million in cash, current liabilities, total liabilities 29. So looks like they have their liabilities covered on the short term. Yeah, this looks like a buy here. So that's it for the IR stocks. And here's the scouting report. So GENI is, like I said in the beginning, is probably on my number one watch right now. CLSK also looked good. CCCC. Let's actually bring up that chart a little bit because there was some good news. I just forget what it was. CCCC. So new drug application, FDA clearance of the investigational new drug application. So that's cool. Had a bullish engulfing candle today. Looks like they have a lot of cash per share. And I love that kicker pattern on that news, especially followed by this bullish engulfing candle today. So I'm looking for this to keep running past 4 tomorrow. Let's see it. Let's make it happen. All right. So that's it for the scouting report. I'm not going to go through all these, but yeah, that's it for the scouting report. If you are interested in accelerating your trade knowledge, I know it can be incredibly painful and frustrating to do this on your own. I was there. I struggled for years and years with this, not understanding how to read balance sheets and things like that. But if you are looking for a shortcut here, you can schedule a call on FridayTraders.com, and one of our expert traders will be happy to assist you on your trade journey and give you the tools that you need to succeed. All right. Happy trading. That's it for the show. I will see you next week. See you then.